What is his problem? Three of those.
He doesn't waste any time getting from safe zone to safe zone.
Yes, ma'am.
This is unreal. This is the greatest. I can't even believe this. This is crazy. I can't believe I did this. This is the first time I ever did this.
Is it really?
Well, I call in often. I
No
never
cigar.
talk to anybody.
Still with brief time on the clock.
High and wide with a pistol.
Bow, and you're making a rosette out of it. Yes, I am. And how did you do that? Well, basically...
Don't you? Sure do. Well, I'm glad they're coming in handy for you. This is the one of those ones you can go anywhere with.
Yeah, it is.
Tell me, why do you like owning a piano?
Well, I don't think you get everything for everything.
Yeah, you really do, don't you?
Sure do.
Well, I'm glad they're coming in handy for you. This is one of those ones you can go anywhere with.
Yeah, it is. All over your about 4 months ago.
Oh, good. Well, it sounds like you've been with us for a while there, John.
Yeah, sure is.
Well, we appreciate your call and have yourself a real safe evening, sir.